we're in Dubai to ride in a Dhow cruise, the cheapest Dhow cruise that we saw.
Guard. Boat eh, no? Hello.
Hi, Rocco.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and this time we're in Dubai to ride in a Dhow cruise, the cheapest Dhow cruise that we saw in the internet. So we'll try it. It's only 39 dirhams. So we'll try. This is the cruise that we're riding, Oasis Palm. So I'm with my baby Rocco, JC, Nikki's brother Ral, JC's wife, and Nikki. So 39 is including iftar dinner buffet. So this is not starting. Time check, it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I think the dinner iftar timing is around 7:10 like that. So let's see, let's check what's inside, what they're offering here, and let's enjoy this Dhow cruise. So
Rocco and Tita Mika.
Tita and Mika, and we're going inside. Whoops. Go Rocco. Yay! So we're going on the upside. Kung sino yung nagbayad yung naiwan. Wow! This is it! Yay!
Hindi lang kayo sinabihan kasi nga hindi nyo
So nice here.
Sabay tayo magbababay kay tatay pag
ganun na lang.
This is the Oasis Palm Cruise. See, if you want to ride in a small boat there, around 1 dirham, 2 dirhams like that. So we're here in the top. So the waiting place here is in Diera, near in Banias area, Banias, Diera. So I'm not familiar here in Dubai. Are you happy, Rocco? Are you enjoying? You're riding the boat right now?
Yes.
Wow. What? Time check, it's 6:15. This is our second time to be in the Dhow cruise. Our first time is when Nikki is courting me. So now she's not courting me.
We have 2 kids
We have
now.
2 kids already. So this is my second experience in Dhow cruise, but this is my second in Dubai, but third in UAE, because before we experienced also Dhow cruise in Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
So, but Abu Dhabi is a little bit expensive compared to Dubai. Dubai is only we book here and bought in the cheapest price, especially here this time in Ramadan. So only around 39 dirhams. So it's very cheap compared to Abu Dhabi. So Abu Dhabi you cannot find 39 dirhams or 50, or even maybe the minimum you can find there is 90 or 100 per person. So that's the difference between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. We're in the side of Diera, Dubai, but on the other opposite side that is Dubai. Breastfeeding on work, so if you are committed on breastfeeding, so the situation is like this: anywhere, anytime, just put the blanket and that's it.
Oh, poncho
Pilot.
for breastfeeding.
We're moving! Wow, we're moving!
So we're moving now. We're going in the creek now.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah. Bakit naman sinasabi namin? Kailangan i-training yung beef na. Ganito yung style na buong araw kayo.
Experience, Mika?
I'm hungry.
Okay, so we're still on the business of milk section. Milking. 5 minutes, going 7. So it's ready. Food is ready. So this is the food. It's already finished, but they're feeling. I'm not able to take video before I eat because it's too awkward to take the video while people is getting the food. So biryani and some salad, curries and potatoes, something like that. And this is, there's a bread, hummus, pasta and some vegetables, sweets, watermelon, like samosas, and some fried vegetables. David, look at that. And some chicken garlic somewhere there. And this one. So curries, chicken and mutton, pasta and sweet. So that's it. So we got food. So this is what I got. Biryani and curries and all. I think all I got.
Nakuha namin, there's biryani, merong curry, chicken tikka, merong fish, mixed vegetable.
Time check, it's 7:45 in the evening and almost done. The cruise is going U-turn.
the port.
in the original place. So enjoy it. You enjoy?
Yes.
If you're planning to come here, to go here, so we recommend this cruise. If you want to know about info, either you can comment on the section below.
Check on the description box for the details.
For the details. We're done.
Happy tummy.
Stimulator here. Happy tummy. Okay, now we're going down now. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Bye.